That means 736 is relaying that.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Fairfax, Virginia. Flood warning in effect until 1 a.m. Tuesday. Flooding caused by excessive in the morning. The areas affected include a portion of northern Virginia, including the following county, Fairfax. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 1 a.m. Tuesday. Impacts, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Low water crossings are inundated with water and may not be passable. Details at 7 p.m.
I need your help here for just 1 second, Mr. 310.
A slight rain expected to begin shortly. 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flooding impacts will continue, though additional rain is expected. Some locations that will experience flooding include Annandale, Nashua, Ravensworth. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7